Okay, so in this video I will show you 2-3 methods to shuffle playlist in MPV media players. So here we have 5 demo files which I'm gonna show you how to shuffle playlist with. Okay, so I'm gonna select these demo files, then I'm gonna open with them MPV. This is Fedora Linux. I'm using GNOME desktop environment, and this is Nautilus file manager. So I've selected these files. I'm gonna open them with MPV. Here it is. Okay, so let's see if they are loaded. Playlist 1 2 3 4 5. This is the order. Okay, so now to shuffle these files we need to press this key to open a console in MPV. So this is the key, the above tab. This is the key that we need to press, so I'm gonna press this key. It will open a console like this. Then you can just type here playlist SHUFLE. Okay, so when you will type this and hit enter, okay, so now it's shuffled. As you can see, it's no more 1 2 3 4 5, it's 3 5 1 2 4. Okay, so this is the one method if you don't want to modify any file or if you don't want to go through any other process. So this is the method. Then open MPV, press this key and type this and done. Okay, so the second method, if you want to like automate it, like you selected these files and you open them with and you just want them shuffled. So for that, what you need to do, go to your home directory. Then in home directory, go to this folder .config. If you don't have this folder, it's not showing for you, then it might be hidden. That you can see some setting how to enable hidden folders. So in Nautilus you can click here, then show hidden files, and it will start to show. Then we need to open this folder. As you can see, in this folder I have this MPV file, MPV folder. I have this MPV folder. If you don't have this folder, then you need to create a folder named MPV, and then in this folder you need to create this mpv.conf file. To create this, you need to open a console here. Then you need to type touch, then mpv.conf and hit enter. It will create a file like this. This file will be created, and when you will open this file, as you can see, I have some configuration with my own, so for you it might be empty. Then just type any line, just type SHUFFLE equal yes, then save it using this option save, or press Ctrl S. When you will save it, then next time you will open this, like open with MPV, it will automatically be shuffled, so you don't need to do that, open console and type that. So this is the second method. And for third method, like if you want to open these file and you don't want to, like every time you don't want them to shuffle every time you open them, so you want a key binding, like you have selected some files and using MPV and you want a key. When you press that key, it will be shuffled. If you want that, to achieve that, you need to create in this folder, you need to just delete that if you have done that. So just revert that and create this file input.conf. So what you need to do, open console, type touch.conf. So a file like this will be created when you hit enter. This file, you need to open this file and you need to type this here, Control plus S space playlist dash shuffle. It will be empty for you. For me, this is my older config, like I have up down key set for volume plus minus. So when I press up in my arrow keys, it increase volume by 5, and when I press down key, it decrease the volume. So this is the functionality for these keywords. So it might be empty for you, so you need to just, for shuffle, you need to just do this. Type Control plus S space playlist shuffle and then save it. So every time you're gonna open them with MPV using drag and drop or whatever method. So now as you can see, playlist is 1 2 3 4 5, and when I'm gonna press Control plus S, it's gonna shuffle. Let's check again. As you can see, 3 2 4 1 5. When I'm gonna press Control plus S again, as you can see, it's changed again. 5 2 1 3 4. So that's how you can achieve this with 3 methods. One more thing I want to tell, like if you don't want to use Control plus S, if you want to just use S, then delete this and just type S space this, but it will override your screenshot functionality. So now when you press F, it will no longer take a screenshot, it will shuffle. So that's how you can, if you want to assign any other key, so you can just type R here, or whatever key you want, you can assign that. So that's how you can achieve this with 3 methods.